Hey everyone, in this video guide I'm gonna show you how to disable notification and sounds in your Telegram application. So let me swipe down and type in here Telegram and tap on this application. After that you can tap on settings at the bottom right corner, and once you're here you can scroll down until you find notification and sounds. Tap on it, and once you're here you can settings private chats, you can enable show notification or disable it, and also settings message preview, and also choose sound, and of course choose exceptions. Let me tap on back. There you go, scroll down until you find in-app notifications. You can enable sounds and vibrate, and of course preview. So if you wanna reset all notification settings, you can tap on this button. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up, and also you can watch this new video or this playlist about Telegram. See you next time.